Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can back up your wallet in MyEtherWallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your MyEtherWallet app. So once you open it, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in the pin code number. After you do this, you will get access to your account, so simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the settings and support. After you are done, you need to now tap on the backup now option, which you can find right there, and hit the backup now. Then hit the start button and you will have to type in the pin code number to back up. You will get some recovery phases on your screen. Then you need to now solve the riddle or solve the selection of the process by double checking it and hit the finish option. After this is done, your wallet will get backed up in MyEtherWallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.